Hello again, quick one today. How to deal with a door that's a bit sticky. This one, you can hear that it's just dragging on something. I don't know, problem is I don't know where it's dragging. It's somewhere down the side or possibly somewhere on the bottom. Just by pulling at it, it feels like maybe it's on the bottom, but it's not very sure. So what I want to do is cut some off the bottom, but I need to know where to cut it, otherwise I'm going to end up with big gaps. And that's the hard part. So what we do, little trick using a piece of paper. Okay, so I've shut the door now. I'm going to use a piece of paper, just push in under the door in the gap, and I should be able to feel where it goes in and where it's more difficult. So that's gone in pretty easily in that corner, and I can drag it along and oh, it's stuck there. So make a little mark there where it's stuck, and obviously it's not going any further, it's quite tight there. Take it out again, let's try it at the other end, and again the other end it's gone in really easily, and I can slide it along and it's sticking there. So it looks like, and I can make two little marks, it's sticking between these 2 points. So I know exactly where I need to take a tiny amount either off the bottom of the door or off the bottom of the sill. Now I can't do that in my case because there's a metal strip that is stuck on, but take a little bit off the bottom of the door there. So the various tools you can use for this, I'm quite lucky here, as you can see I've got a gap there underneath the door, so I can actually open the door and I can fit in tools underneath it. In most cases you won't have that, and what you're going to have to do is undo the screws, take the door off, and then take off the bit of the bottom of the door and then put the door back on again. It's a bit of a faff. I would demonstrate, but this door's bloody heavy. I'm not going to be taking it off and on again, so I'm just going to use these. I've got a little tiny surf form, and I've also got one of these really rough files. So I think that's all I need, and I can just get under the door there and I can just take a little bit off and we'll see if it shuts. So I'm just going here just between where I made the marks and just take a little bit off there. So there we go, taking a bit off the bottom with my surf form, and you can see that's now fixed. I could probably take the bit of paper and run it along again, and I should find it doesn't stop in the old place. Now if you do take the door off, you're probably going to need to use a plane to take some off the bottom of the door, or off the side. In fact, if you take it off the side, don't forget that you're going to have to repaint it, and that's going to add a bit more thickness. So take a little bit more off than you actually need, otherwise when you paint it it'll just stick again. Been there, done that. Anyway, hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.